Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling the Recording tab and selecting your mic input. This ensures clean audio. Once done, set slide size to 16:9 and adjust resolution so visuals stay sharp on video platforms. You should draft rough timings for each slide and rehearse out loud to avoid long pauses. Make sure to close background apps that steal CPU. This reduces glitches and keeps your recording smooth. Now move to the first slide and start a test recording to verify levels. You record slide by slide, using Record Slideshow to capture narration and pointer gestures. This preserves timing and emphasis. As you go, insert videos and animations and trim them so they don't overrun your narration. Once done, adjust audio levels and apply simple noise reduction to make speech clear. Make sure to preview each slide immediately after recording so you can fix pacing mistakes. If an animation misfires, re-record only that slide rather than the whole presentation. You export the presentation to MP4, selecting quality and how to handle slides without timings. This creates a single video file ready for sharing. Once exported, watch the full video and note any sync or clipping problems so you know which slides need fixing. If something goes wrong, re-record only the problematic slides and export again. As a key troubleshooting tip, if audio or video fails repeatedly, update PowerPoint or change export codec, and verify microphone drivers to eliminate system-level issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.